Hi, this is the demo for my SE456 Space Invaders game. I will start the demo now and kind of explain things as they go, and then show the code after I can demonstrate some of the features of the game. So when you start the game, you can toggle the grids off and on by pressing the T button. So as you see the toggle, the collision boxes go off and then they go on. You can see that alien bomb just hit the screen, just hit the shield and took a brick off. Likewise, you can shoot a missile and get the missile to shoot all the way through the grid for the shield. And then you can shoot aliens and they display the splat when an alien is killed and update the score for the player. So the bottom aliens are worth 10 points apiece. The middle two aliens are worth 20 points apiece. And the top aliens, the squid aliens, are worth 30 points apiece. And then I have it so that the UFO, as it's hit, is worth 100. So likewise, the aliens drop the random bombs as they go. That's all set up on a timer, as well as the alien marching. So that way the aliens are moving in synchronization with the timer. So as you can see, you can destroy the shields and those collision boxes get smaller as those disappear. A couple things that I didn't get a chance to implement were the game selection screen and the ship animation for when it dies. But I was able to get the collision detection in there for when a ship is hit, it loses a life still and plays a sound as seen there. So likewise, you can shoot the bombs and they'll make an alien, and they'll make the splat as well, so that we can destroy bombs as they're falling down. And then you can also see that the UFO is dropping bombs at random intervals as well. So this is how the game works, and as I destroy more alien grids, columns, that collision box shrinks for the grid itself, so that way it'll get smaller before it hits the rebound. And likewise, if I destroy a whole entire alien, if I destroy a whole shield, it'll also shrink the collision box. I can show you that now. I can shoot all these. The collision box for each column, or for each shield root shrinks. And then the collision box for the shield grid as a whole shrinks as well. One other feature that I did not get a chance to implement is the regeneration of the aliens to keep going. So I know the game is incomplete, but I simply ran out of time in trying to get all the collision detections working properly and everything to resize and display the splats as they go along too. So I'll finish shooting off the aliens here and I'll show you some of the code. So as you can see, the lives have gone down to 0, and the game doesn't stop because I have not yet gotten a chance to implement that. But hope to do that in some free time in the future, and I'll show you the code now. So some of the patterns that I used some of the command patterns for the UFO bomb drops. So as you can see here, I set a random timer, and we're dropping bombs, and if the UFO did not exist, then I have no need to add that back to the timer manager. So that way it doesn't persist on the timer manager if the UFO does not exist. Throughout the course of the game, I've used several different observers. This one is the bomb and missile observer for when a bomb and missile collide with each other. It calls the notify method, and I'm making sure to set the right game objects there for that collision, and play the invader sound for whenever a bomb and a missile collide, similar as if to a missile hit an alien. It'll play that sound as well. For the remove brick observer, I've got an observer for anytime a bomb or a missile hits a brick from the shield. So anytime that happens, it will mark the brick as dead and then attach it to the delay observer to remove it. So it goes through this execute method and will remove. And it will remove the brick, and then check to see if the column of the shield root exists and is empty. And if it's empty, then it will delete that particular column as well, and likewise up through the shield root and the shield grid. For the bomb, I use a strategy pattern to encapsulate the fall strategy. For the various fall strategies, I've got a different strategy each for the zigzag bomb, the fall straight bomb, and the fall cross bomb. And for those, I just used a random generator to select the type of bomb I wanted for the aliens to shoot, and also for the UFO to shoot. So this is a pretty fun project. I wish I had more time to finish it completely. There were some features I didn't quite get to, but I hope to implement those on some free time that I have later after this course is over. Thanks for watching.